Where's your phone? Oh.
Are you sure there's a phone in there?
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that the phone you want?
You gotta open it from the bottom, sweetie. Like, no, like it. No, not like that. Yeah.
Oh, it's blue too.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Read the instruction book first. Oh, this is so awesome.
Go Nick!
Oh.
And when you get a new phone, you can pass that one down to me.
Turn it on, see if
It's got a camera on it. Okay, wait. I gotta figure out how to turn it on.
I think it's on the front right.
Front right?
I mean the front, yeah. Look at the very front face, the front buttons.
Okay.
See where it says power? Under where it says LG on the right.
Oh, okay.
I think you need to hold it down there for a second.